Why hello! Welcome to the 1 year anniversary of my channel. And as you may have guessed from the teaser, I'm going to be doing a giveaway from something from LT Wright. I've decided to give away a church key. This is made of 01 tool steel. It can be used as a scraper, a flint striker, a fire rod scraper striker, and a bottle opener. So I'm going to show you how to do those now. Come on, buddy. I guess it's too wet out here, but as you can see, it does throw sparks. Okay, well, as you can see, it was a little wet, so I couldn't quite get the tinder to strike as well as I could. I'm going to try to actually maybe insert a better demonstration of the ferro rod scraping abilities now. There we go. Do you see it? See it smoking? Okay, hey, it wasn't that much better. So, all you need to do to win one of these is be a subscriber to the channel, like this video, and just comment below "I'm in," and I will send you one of these for free. Not this one, but a brand new one on my dime. And I'll let this run for a week, then I'll do a drawing and I'll contact you. So thank you all for being a subscriber and for joining me on these adventures, and many more to come. Be a subscriber, I will check. And what good is a church key if you can't open a bottle of root beer? Of course, right?